Hello, and welcome to Power Tips. Marketing campaign reports help you show how your campaigns align with company goals and prove your effectiveness as a team. Marketing campaign reports are available in CoSchedule's marketing suite. In this video, I'll give you ideas for creating marketing campaign reports based on 5 example reports. You can find these examples by clicking Marketing Campaign Report in the Analytics tab of your CoSchedule account and follow along. The first way you can use a marketing campaign report is to demonstrate how your campaigns support business goals. Let's say you're preparing an annual report for your executive leadership team. You need to show stakeholders a quick snapshot of what your team accomplished last year without all of the details. In this example, you could create and print an annual report that highlights all of your marketing campaigns from the previous year. To run this report, select Show Marketing Campaigns from Last Year from the example reports and click Export PDF or Export CSV to download the document. You can also create a marketing campaign report to evaluate your team's productivity and progress. Maybe your team experienced a lot of changes in the past 3 months due to internal and external events. As a manager, you're concerned that productivity might be down. In this situation, you can quickly check if your team's output is on target for the year by comparing quarterly marketing campaign reports. To do this, select Show Marketing Campaigns from the last 3 months from the example reports. Then, adjust your date range to run a new report for the previous quarter, and compare results to identify if your team is on track. Next, you can give stakeholders a high-level view of all their campaigns. If your team executes campaigns for multiple company departments, sending them monthly updates creates a lot of unnecessary busy work. However, let's say your regional sales team wants to see a summary of last month's campaigns on the first of every month. With a marketing campaign report, you can create a custom table that highlights a specific department's recent campaigns. You can also schedule the report to automatically send to team leaders on a weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. To create and share this report, select Show Marketing Campaigns with a color label. Remove any color labels that you don't want to include, or add another filter to refine by tag, team member, or date. Here, I've selected the blue sales color label and the Region East tag. Then, click Share and Schedule Report. Choose the frequency and add your recipients. Use marketing campaign reports to plan ahead and stay on top of upcoming campaigns. Your calendar is great for managing important project details, but it's hard to get a true bird's-eye view of all your campaigns, especially when your marketing team is mapping out campaigns for the entire year. Creating a marketing campaign report is a great solution in this situation because it gives you a high-level view of what's ahead. To create this report, select Show Marketing Campaigns this year from the example reports, and adjust the date range if necessary. This gives you a list view of the campaigns you have planned so you can identify overlap easily. Finally, showcase your successful campaigns during annual reviews. No 2 days in a marketing role look the same, which means it's hard to remember all of the projects you've managed or worked on throughout the year. Before your annual review, you can run a report to see a list of everything you've worked on and select an individual campaign to see its details on your calendar. Select Show Marketing Campaigns I am the owner of from the example reports and hover over a campaign to expand it in a new window. These owner of campaign reports are great for managers too. Managers can create reports for each employee before the reviews. Did any of these examples resonate with you? Create a marketing campaign report to start proving your team's value to stakeholders.